This question was filmed in front of a live classroom. Right. Listen to the enthusiasm. All right, I told you to number the equations. You didn't skimp on that, hopefully, did you? No. All right, so now we have 3 variables and 3 equations. We need to get rid of 1 variable. So what would be a good candidate to eliminate here? Y? 1 and 2 and eliminate y? Sounds like a good plan to me. So we'll pick 1 and 2 and we'll eliminate y. So 1 and 2. Some tips to solving these with success is to be neat and go slow. Take your time. Make sure you're copying everything down correctly. And then just go ahead and when you have it, maybe just stop and take another second look. So it looks right to me. We want to eliminate y, so I'm going to multiply the top equation by 3. Good. This class is amazing, by the way. So 6x minus 3y minus 9z times 3. See what I did there? Multiplied the top equation, everything by 3, so that we can eliminate the y's. And looks like I didn't make any mistakes. So now we'll go ahead and eliminate those y's. Combine the 2 together. We have a total of 10x. Y's are eliminated. Minus 7z is equal to -1. And that we're going to call equation number 4. That's not a very bright green. Let's get a brighter one. Equation number 4. Good. Now the process is to pick 2 different equations and eliminate the same variable. So let's pick 2 different equations and do the same thing. Let's eliminate y. Let's pick 1 and 3. How about? Is that a good choice? Try to pick the easiest ones possible. So we'll pick 1 and 3 and eliminate y again. So 2x minus y. You guys know why I put a slash on those z's like that? So I don't think they're what? 2's. All right, so hopefully I didn't make any copying mistakes there. Double check, no. All right, multiply the top equation by 2. So go ahead and multiply that top equation by 2. We're going to get 4x minus 2y minus 6z equals 2. And combine those 2 together. We have a total of 1 positive x, 1 negative z, or z. Right, Georgina? Yeah. And then 2 and negative 3 is -1. That is equation number 5. Oh, goodness sakes. Now we're going to take 4 and 5 together, which is a 2 by 2 system, and solve for x and z. And we know how to do that, or hopefully know how to do that, because that's what we did earlier in this chapter. So we take 4 and 5, put those 2 together, and solve away for z. Probably choose to eliminate x, z. It doesn't really matter. You can multiply by 10, negative 10 on the bottom, and eliminate the x. So that's fine by me. Negative 10x, positive 10z, and positive 10. 3z equals 9, so z must be 3. 1/3 of our solution we found so far. Everything from this point is now substitution. So now I'm going to go ahead and take that 3 and plug it into the easiest equation from 4 and 5 to solve for x. So if I put it in there, I'm left with x minus 3 equals -1, and that will happen when x is positive 2. So now we found our x value to be 2. And we're almost home free. We have 2/3 of our solution. So now we take 2 for x and 3 for z and plug those into one of the original equations, whichever one looks easiest. I'm thinking it's the top one. And solve for your missing y. So that goes in for x there. 3 goes in for z there. And we will only have one missing variable, then y. And we should be able to solve. The hard thing about solving these is there's so many calculations that if you make one mistake, then everything just goes wrong. So be very neat, be very careful, go slow, double check. 2 in for x. So 2 times 2 minus y minus 3 times 3 is equal to 1. So that's going to be 4 minus 9 is -5. Add the 5 to the other side. You're going to get -y is equal to, if we add 5 to 1, we get 6. Whoops. What happened there? Something switched around. So -y equals, what did I say, 6? So then y must be -6. So there's your solution. Those 3 values for x, y, and z make this whole system true. And so when you write your solution, you can write it as 2, -6, 3. It's like the ordered triple. 2, -6, 3. Was that the answer in the back of the book? Was that right?
Yeah.
Oh, phew. Okay. All right. So 8 minutes, under 8 minutes. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. All right.